Diwali is a time to reflect on and evaluate our thoughts, words, and actions. It's a time to acknowledge and better understand our prejudice, negative behaviors, and bad habits so that we may begin the process of transforming ourselves. And since all wealth, be it material or spiritual, should be shared with others who are less fortunate. Diwali is also a time to reflect on the various ways we can assist others and shine our light out into the world. Dear gathering, we are here to celebrate the festival of lights, symbolizing the victory of righteousness and lifting of the spiritual darkness. This festival of Diwali makes every home and every heart filled with happiness and cheer. To mark the day memorable, one of each of us, we shall start this celebration with worship. We take immense pleasure in inviting our school chairman Riaz Khan sir and our beloved principal ma'am Dr. P. Sadhu Lakshmi ma'am and committed teachers and you dear friends. For this festival of lights, singing to the God is a prime duty of its creator. Give thanks to the Almighty of His love, endures His benevolence, has gifted us the wonderful day. May we invite our school choir to lead us into the prayerful moments.
महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा नमस्तेस्तु महामाये श्रीपीठे सुरपूजिते शङ्खचक्र गदाहस्ते महालक्ष्मी नमोऽस्तुते नमस्तेस्तु महामाये श्रीपीठे सुरपूजिते शङ्खचक्र गदाहस्ते महालक्ष्मी नमोऽस्तुते महालक्ष्मी नमोऽस्तुते महालक्ष्मी नमोऽस्तुते.
A loving word of hearty welcome from the heart is the sweetest of all things in life. With heart full of love and happiness, I would like to call Spurti of grade 7 to deliver welcome speech.
A loving word of hearty welcome from the heart is the sweetest of all things in life. With hearts full of love and happiness, we would like to invite you all with sweet loving words of welcome. It brings lots of new hope and joy when celebrated with enthusiasm gain. Let us make this day a memorable one for each of us as we join in the celebration of life. The celebration of Diwali is time to reflect on and evaluate our thoughts, words, actions over the past year. It is a time to discover on how we can be more loving, kind, respectful and skillful towards ourselves and others. Now I would like to share a poem on Diwali. Diwali is here, that great festival of sound, when crackers and laughter abound, when crackers and sparkles light up the sky, when delighted children jump up with joy. We take immense pleasure in welcoming our respected dignitaries, venerable principal, committed and passionate teachers, and of course, our sparkling students. Once again, hearty welcome to everyone to celebrate the Festival of Lights, symbolizing the victory of brightness and the lightening of spiritual darkness. Thank you.
Little lamps illumining millions of our homes proclaim the little festival of lights. We rejoice with all the people of our land and bring to the altar of our own little lambs. Indian tradition attributes the origin of Diwali to the coronation of Rama, the king of Ayodhya. On the mat, it said there was an illumination all over the country. May we invite Surya of Great Seven to illumine the Diwali with his words to give the importance of the day.
Good evening, one and all. Today I would like to speak a few words about Diwali. Diwali is a festival of lights. It is celebrated all over India with great joy and happiness. Diwali is celebrated on Amavasya of Kartika month every year. It is celebrated as the mark of victory of Lord Rama over devil Ravana and return to Ayodhya. Diwali is also known as Deepavali, which means row of light lamps. During the festival, people worship goddess Lakshmi and Lord Ganesha in evening hours. People light up their house with diyas, they decorate their house and make colorful rangolis in front of their house. Various sweet dishes are prepared on this occasion. People exchange gifts with their relations and friends. This festival marks the victory of good over evil. Thank you.
Surya, it was informative. May the Diya's light lead you onto the road of growth and prosperity. The Diwali illuminates your life with lights and colors. Now I would like to call Spurti, Veda, Ima, Nitya and Surya for Diya song.
ಹಚ್ಚೇವು ಕನ್ನಡದ ದೀಪ ಹಚ್ಚೇವು ಕನ್ನಡದ ದೀಪ ಕರುನಾಡ ದೀಪ ಸಿರಿನುಡಿಯ ದೀಪ ಒಳವೆತ್ತಿ ತೋರುವ ದೀಪ ಹಚ್ಚೇವು ಕನ್ನಡದ ದೀಪ ಹಚ್ಚೇವು ಕನ್ನಡದ ದೀಪ ಬಹುದಿನಗಳಿಂದ ಮೈಮರೆವೆಯಿಂದ ಕೂಡಿರುವ ಕೊಳೆಯ ಕೊಚ್ಚೇವು ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ನಡದ ಕಂಪು ಸೂಸಲು ಅಲ್ಲಲ್ಲಿ ಕರ್ಣ ಚಾಚೇವು ಬಹುದಿನಗಳಿಂದ ಮೈಮರೆವೆಯಿಂದ ಕೂಡಿರುವ ಕೊಳೆಯ ಕೊಚ್ಚೇವು ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ನಡದ ಕಂಪು ಸೂಸಲು ಅಲ್ಲಲ್ಲಿ ಕರ್ಣ ಚಾಚೇವು ನಡುನಾಡೆ ಇರಲಿ ಗಡಿನಾಡೆ ಇರಲಿ ಕನ್ನಡದ ಕಳೆಯ ಕೆಚ್ಚೇವು ನಡುನಾಡೆ ಇರಲಿ ಗಡಿನಾಡೆ ಇರಲಿ ಕನ್ನಡದ ಕಳೆಯ ಕೆಚ್ಚೇವು ಮರದೇವು ಮರವ ತೆರೆದೇವು ಮನವ ಎರೆದೇವು ಒಲವ ಹಿಡಿ ನೆನಪ ನರನರವನೆಲ್ಲ ಹೊರೆಗೊಳಿಸಿ ಹೊಸದು ಹಚ್ಚೇವು ಕನ್ನಡದ ದೀಪ ಹಚ್ಚೇವು ಕನ್ನಡದ ದೀಪ ಕರುನಾಡ ದೀಪ ಸಿರಿನುಡಿಯ ದೀಪ ಒಳವೆತ್ತಿ ತೋರುವ ದೀಪ ಹಚ್ಚೇವು ಕನ್ನಡದ ದೀಪ ಹಚ್ಚೇವು ಕನ್ನಡದ ದೀಪ ದೀಪದಿಂದ ದೀಪವ ಹಚ್ಚಬೇಕು ಮಾನವ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯಿಂದ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಹಂಚಲು ಮನಸ್ಸಿನಿಂದ ಮನಸ್ಸನ್ನು ಬೆಳಗಬೇಕು ಮಾನವ ಮೇಲು ಕೀಳು ಭೇದ ನಿಲ್ಲಲು ಭೇದವಿಲ್ಲ ಬೆಂಕಿಗೆ ದ್ವೇಷವಿಲ್ಲ ಬೆಳಕಿಗೆ ನೀ ತಿಳಿಯೋ ದೀಪದಿಂದ ದೀಪವ ಹಚ್ಚಬೇಕು ಮಾನವ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯಿಂದ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಹಂಚಲು ಮನಸ್ಸಿನಿಂದ ಮನಸ್ಸನ್ನು ಬೆಳಗಬೇಕು ಮಾನವ ಮೇಲು ಕೀಳು ಭೇದ ನಿಲ್ಲಲು ಭೇದವಿಲ್ಲ ಬೆಂಕಿಗೆ ದ್ವೇಷವಿಲ್ಲ ಬೆಳಕಿಗೆ ನೀ ತಿಳಿಯೋ ದೀಪದಿಂದ ದೀಪವ ಹಚ್ಚಬೇಕು ಮಾನವ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯಿಂದ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಹಂಚಲು ಪ್ರೀತಿಯಿಂದ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಹಂಚಲು ಪ್ರೀತಿಯಿಂದ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಹಂಚಲು.
It was very melodious. Diwali or Festival of Lights is one of the great and lightning festivals of Indians. This festival shows the great lightning significance of Hindu and other religion. Now I would like to call Adarsh of grade 6 to deliver the message on festival.
Goddess Lakshmi coming home. Thus people celebrate by lighting many clay lamps called diyas around their homes. This signifies the victory of good over evil, and that is why Diwali is also known as the festival of lights. People worship goddess Lakshmi and Lord Ganesha on this day as they are believed to bring good luck, prosperity and wealth. Significance of the day: Diwali celebrations go on for 5 days and each day has its significance. Theras. Lakshmi is worshipped on this day and there is a custom to purchase something precious. Narak Chaturdashi. The second day is Narak Chaturdashi or Choti Diwali. People wake up early and apply aromatic oils on them before taking bath. Lakshmi Puja. The third day is the main Diwali festival. Lakshmi Puja is believed to enter homes and bless people with good fortune. Govardhan Puja or Padwa. The fourth day is Govardhan Puja or Padwa. It is the day when Lord Krishna defeated Indra by lifting the huge Govardhan mountain. Bhai Dooj. The fifth and last day is Bhai Dooj. On this day, sisters invite their brothers for a lavish meal and perform a tilak ceremony. Sisters pray for their brothers' long and happy life while the brothers give gifts to their sisters. People display fireworks during Diwali, but it should be kept in mind as to not create noise and air pollution which can harm the environment. Thank you. Have a nice day.
You others, it was a wonderful message. Any celebration makes it special when celebrated with dance, and certainly it is treated to the eye. Here there are little dollies of grade 5, 6 and 7 have come along with their little lamps to enlighten us to make our celebrations more colorful and brighter.
आज खिले रात करे दूर अंधेरा, दीप जले ऐसे लगे जैसे सवेरा।
प्यार की सौगातें हूँ, तारों की बारातें हूँ,
दूरी की नवातें हो, बस मुलाकातें हो,
सबको यही देती संदेशा। दीपावली गली गली बन के खुशी छाई रे, रोशनी की चादर ओढ़ी दीपावली आई रे। दीपावली गली गली बन के खुशी छाई रे, रोशनी की चादर ओढ़ी दीपावली आई रे।
Successful skit. Ever there is a format of introducing you to the player in the beginning and then going on to see those sketches. Now I would like to call the students of grade 6 for the skit.
Studying in grade 6. Today, my beloved friends are going to perform a stage play on Green Diwali. On this special festival, let us burst our bad habits, not crackers. Yes to celebration, no to pollution. Now, let us welcome grade 6 students on the stage.
Hi friends, Happy Diwali! It's boring today, right? Yes! Yes! I have an idea. Please say Let us burst crackers. Crackers? Yes! Yasin, do you have crackers? No. Do you have crackers, Sutas? No. Do you have crackers, Harsha? No, Sutas, I don't have crackers.
Hi friends, Happy Diwali!
Hi, Murna. Happy Diwali!
What friends, you were talking about crackers?
Yes. Do you have crackers?
No, I don't have any crackers. I will not burst crackers. I will celebrate a eco-friendly Diwali. Bye friends, sorry, I will not join.
Let her go. Nothing will happen.
crackers. An elderly person is reading the newspaper. Let us see what happens to him when we burst crackers. Now, let us see how the baby reacts for the heavy sound of crackers. Not only we, but also animals, birds, plants and trees also get affected when we burst crackers. Now, my friend Mridula is here to share the safety precautions while bursting crackers. It is dangerous to burst crackers, no?
Hey, let it be. Nothing will happen. We don't care at all.
Okay, take.
It's not thrilling at all. I have an idea. Hey, what Sutas say? Say Sutas. Let us burst crackers in a hand. Yes!
It's 3:35 p.m. To hear your notifications, follow.
Now my friend Mridula is here to share the safety precautions while bursting crackers. Now I would like to say some safety precautions to follow while bursting crackers. Use green firecrackers. Prefer wearing cotton cloths. Burst firecrackers in an open area. Store the crackers in a safe place. Keep a first aid kit handy. Avoid alcohol and sanitizer while bursting crackers. Thank you. Light a lamp of love. Blast a chain of sorrow. Shoot a rocket of prosperity. Fire a flower pot of happiness. Wish you a happy, safe and secure Diwali. Thank you.
Safe and secure Diwali. Thank you.
It was wonderful.
Thanks mean it gives bundle of gratitude to the heart that receives and purposes. For this, I would like to call Ayman of grade 8 to deliver out of thanks.
Good evening, everyone. I convey my best wishes to Honorable Chairman, respected Principal, beloved teachers and my dear friends. I, Ayman Fatima, the student of Indo-Sunrise International School, consider the occasion as an honor and privilege to extend the vote of thanks. Once a great man whispered, feeling thankfulness and not expressing it is like wrapping a present and not giving it. Today, I take the opportunity to put all my gratitude into words. I thank our respected chairman, Mr. Yasman sir, who graced us with his presence and guidance. Thank you, sir. We have been fortunate to be assisted by our principal, Dr. P. Sarulakshmi ma'am. You have been a constant support and you have given us a lot of encouragement. Thank you, ma'am. I would like to thank all those organizing teams, teachers, and my dear friends for showing their interest in the program. I once again thank everyone for making this program successful. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Ayman. Thank you, one and all. Once again, wishing you a happy Diwali.